completes our vent with the polypropylene up through the roof. That's great. We still have combustion air to come in through this PVC line to right to the back of the boiler. Great job, Kevin. Thank you. So now, we've got plenty of work to do still. Here's our boiler, here's our very smart control. But now we've got to lead with the hydronic piping on the back of the boiler. So we're going to have a supply and a return that's going to come over right here.
Got it.
Think about what we have to deliver to the building. First, there'll be a circulator pump right here. That'll go up to all the existing radiators or baseboard in the building. Now we've got a couple of different manifolds right here. One for wood floors,
She's got one of those little
tile floors.
cap covers for the milk.
Separate mixing valve right here.
She's obsessed with it.
With just the right water temperature output. Wood floors, you'll have a really smart circulator pump right here that will just change its speed according to what the load is into the building. We'll have another mixing valve and pump right here. And we'll also have power heads on the manifold right here with local thermostats that'll come down and wire to this point right here. The last thing, hydronic piping, is we're going to come over here with another circulator pump, and we're going to feed into a coil like this that sits inside the stainless steel tank to make hot water for the faucets. So we end up here with a 96% efficient heating system doing everything.
He's a big galoot.
Job we're remodeling. But how would you get energy efficiency if we were building from scratch? This is Devens, Massachusetts. Now the development is called Emerson Green, and this house is very special. It combines advanced building techniques with eco-friendly materials to make a really energy-efficient building. Dan Gainsborough is our builder. Good morning.
Hey, Richard.
Now, our project in Arlington reported last winter, in February, they used about $3,000 to heat the building. How about your building? What will it take to heat this place?
No, he's looking at the other one on the floor.
Is about a third of one of our months?
Yes.
You got my attention. So how are you going to do
He got it.
It begins by building a really airtight box. In fact, if you want to take a look, I've got one under construction right next door.
Great, let's see it.
This is how all of our houses start out.
Okay. Using what?
So it starts with insulation.
All
Let
right.
me show you. Typical house, as you know, constructed out of 2x4s.
Sure.
Right? 16 inches on
Yeah,
center.
you insulate right there.
Exactly. Our walls, as you can see, 2x6.
That's great.
Almost double the capacity for insulating the cavity. And on top of that, we're putting this insulated panel outside of the frame.
So from an insulation standpoint, you actually end up with almost double the depth between outside and inside. That's pretty good.
Despite that, though, you still need to worry about the air barrier, right?
Sure.
So, look at this. These guys have developed this product that impregnates the standard OSB board
So
with a
cute.
waterproof, airproof.
That's the vapor barrier.
That's the vapor barrier.
So the alternative has always been this. You take the building wrap and put it on the outside of the building, you come along with what? About 1 million staples going through it that penetrates that. So now you end up with a perfectly watertight and airtight shield. What about the openings right here?
Let me show you that. I have a mock-up over here.
All right, great.
You'll notice the fiberglass insulation in the cavity,
Okay.
right?
So that's your insulation, good.
And then we talked about the air sealing, right?
Yeah.
So, in order to maintain the integrity of that opening, we wrap the entire opening with these high-performance